I'm Mark McKenzie with NSS Enterprises, and today we're going to look at one of our tank extractors, the Rally 500H. The Rally 500H has a 12-gallon solution tank and comes with a 25-foot hose. The pump pressure on the Rally 500H is adjustable to between 220 and 500 psi. Higher pressures are used for deep cleaning carpets, while lower pressures are used when cleaning other surfaces like upholstery. The Rally 500H also has a 2,000-watt heater to improve deep cleaning performance. Two wand options are available with the Rally 500H. The first option is a 2-jet stainless steel wand. This type of wand has been a standard in the carpet cleaning industry for decades. The second option is the Hydroglide 2 carpet wand. The Hydroglide 2 carpet wand has a Delrin glide that reduces friction and operator fatigue. This wand also has a streamlined shoe that improves airflow and recovers more water from the carpet. The Rally 500H has a built-in circuit finder. To operate both vacuum motors and the heater, the machine needs to be plugged into two separate building circuits. If the vacuum motors and the heater are on different circuits, the machine will sound a tone telling you that the machine is ready to run. If you plug in the power cords and the tone doesn't sound, choose a different outlet for one of the cords to avoid overloading the building circuit. The Rally 500H has a few more features that make operation easier. First, the drain valve has a 45-degree downward pointing elbow. This helps empty the machine into toilets and sinks without splashing. Second, there is a built-in hose and wand caddy that makes transporting the machine to the job site easier. Finally, the Rally 500H has large wheels that make it easy to go up and down stairs or curbs. There is also a small wheel on the handle that helps load the machine into vans for transport. Rally carpet extractors are built to last in the commercial cleaning environment. Durable polyethylene tanks and high-quality motors make these extractors valuable assets you can rely on year after year. So, those are some of the highlights that make the Rally 500H a great option for your cleaning program. I'm Mark McKenzie. Thanks for watching.